This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Awkscht Fescht. Check out this 1950 Hudson Commodore. This is a pretty original car. It's been painted, but you can see the massive 8-cylinder flathead in there. It's insane, absolutely crazy. They've been doing some rewiring over there. But check out the transmission for the windshield wipers, which are vacuum powered. There's your motor over there. This one has an alternator on it to build it up, but it's still 6 volts. That makes it easier to charge because they just did not charge well. This is a beautiful Commodore. Overriders. It's got the fog lamps. You can see how they're attached over there. Just beautiful little units saying Hudson right up on top. Accessories were everything. This has the wheel covers and the beauty rings. I like the little trim on the side. Looks like it had a lamp which was torn out there. There's the original interior, but not the seats. You can see how beautiful that is all the way across. Is that nice? That's the speedometer, and that's the clock over there. You can see for the antenna up on top. And look at the sun visors. This one does not have the visors in the back, but it does have the rear windshield wiper. Hudson was a medium-priced car. It's quite interesting. There's unibody, which really set it apart, and had a step-down design. This also had a full perimeter frame. Is that nice? And it had mechanical over hydraulic with mechanical reserve on the same pedal, which was interesting. The override on the brake system.
There's a little park.
This is nice.
Veterans Memorial Park.
Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com for your car show minutes. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com and post and share your events on that car show calendar. If you like this car show minute, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.